Hi, Joe Green, Key Accounts Community Relations, here with one of our commercial industrial accounts, David of Altona. Hi, David. Why don't you tell us a little bit about Altona?
Well, Altona is a Hutterite community. We're a Christian community of about 140 members, and we have an account with Minnesota Valley Electric Cooperative that the service which supplies our needs for our businesses and our community as a whole, our enterprise. And we have 3 major businesses that we run out of this account. And I can walk you through the Rush River Steel Shop.
Yeah, that sounds great. I'd love to do that.
So here we are at the Rush River manufacturing facility. And this is where we manufacture our steel and trim. It comes in 6, 8, 10,000 different weight steel coils. And then we have our roll formers where it gets rolled through and comes out on the other end as a finished panel for building sides, roofing. And then here we have a trim line where you have the different types of trims that go on buildings.